Hi, my name is Sabrina Rydell and I'm Executive Interactive Producer at Clemenger BBDO.
And I'm Ben Kidney, Managing Partner and Director of Interactive. As advertising and marketing professionals, we spend our time creating value for the brands and companies that we work for. The way we do that is through the power of creativity, but the landscape and the canvases that we create on are rapidly changing. By 2021, over half of all computing interactions will be controlled via voice. Digital assistants like Google Home, Amazon Echo, and Siri are becoming ubiquitous. Our talk focuses on how we can create ideas of value in a post-AI world. How relevant is your brand if consumers can't see it? And even more interesting, how relevant is your brand to an AI?
But it's not only the mega platforms like the Googles, the Apples, the Amazons, and especially Alibaba that can afford to invest in AI. AI is a lot more accessible than people think, and the algorithms and the technologies can be easily implemented in existing applications. We're seeing AI being adopted by startups, but we're also seeing it adopted by established companies that are wanting to reinvent their product and their brands. BMW and Ford are using voice recognition to control their cars. We're seeing financial institutions using facial recognition and the travel industry using it for stuff like boarding passes and passports, and the shopping experiences being really integrated with these new technologies. Only 33% of people think that they're using AI on a daily basis, but it's actually a lot higher. It's 77% of people that are already using devices that are AI enabled, and this number is only going to go up exponentially. There's so many opportunities for your brand to thrive in this beautiful new environment, but adopting AI is not going to be a unique selling proposition for you. You really have to adopt AI and put together a strategy for you to make sure that AI doesn't threaten the very existence of your brand. As advertising and marketing professionals, we face an existential crisis. The entire landscape will be changed by these technologies, and the disruption will just keep on coming. Will your brand thrive in this new environment, or will you become obsolete?
We'd love to answer that question at South by Southwest 2019 in a dual presentation we've titled Why Brands Will Thrive in a Post-AI World or Else. We'll explore companies in the financial, automotive, health and entertainment sector and see how they're adopting and thriving using AI. If you'd like to hear us answer this question, then please vote via the PanelPicker link in this video.